Network is moving. Yeah. Let me share my screen.
Yeah, it's coming through.
Okay. You are able to see my screen, right?
Yeah,
So in our last classes, we have seen about like introduction to programming. That's our class one. And we saw about what is Python and overview of Google Colab. And we saw about print statements. And in our yesterday's class, we saw about what is a len function and how to do commands.
yes,
And we saw how to perform basic arithmetic operations along with what is a variable like this. After
yeah,
that, we stopped the class, right? So I have updated the notebooks, right? Uh, this one was the first class one, so you were able to access it, it seems. I was able to
yeah,
see your solutions here, right?
yeah,
This one you were trying to solve. Okay. Yeah, I have added my detailed solution for this. Okay. Yes.
yeah,
You can also check this. And I think I am also wrong in this. Maybe some, this is the formula actually, 4 by 3 pi r cube. That
yeah,
is the volume of a sphere. So, okay, yeah, let's see. We just, this is just to showcase like how you understood this. Okay. So this is a variable and we can assign a value like this. Okay.
yeah,
And in this variable, we can do a operation, arithmetic operation also into thousand like that.
yeah,
Okay. And I am just declaring the value of pi 3.17. Okay. Pi, you know, right?
yeah,
Math pi. Yeah. So this pi we can access like this, or we can use a function called math, import math, likewise. Because
yeah,
if I am bad in mathematical operations and I want to access that, I just need to import this. Okay. It's like
yeah,
calling a friend. Okay. I don't know. Hey, I don't know. Friend, I don't know. Please come and help me. Likewise. Okay. Math is my friend. And in
yeah,
that sense, like I just need to come on this and I can directly ask like math.py.
yeah,
Yeah, pi is that. So this math.py, we can print math.py also. So math.py, what is the value of pi?
3.14, and then
3.17. Yeah, like this. If we do
yeah,
explicitly give print, see, this is 3.14. Sorry, I was.
yeah,
Let me just remove this. So what we are doing is like 4 by 3 pi r cube we need to calculate. Okay.
yeah,
So here we don't know the value of pi. So what we are doing, we are importing this one. So this is like calling a friend, I say. Okay, my
yeah,
friend name is math. Okay. So this math will have the value of pi. See,
yeah,
this is the value of pi. So this math is having the pi because I was wrong with the pi value, right?
yeah,
3.17 I put because I forgot the pi value, right?
yeah,
So to avoid that, I am calling my friend. So this here I am importing something called math, right? So calling a
yeah,
friend, right? So this is called library. Okay,
mm,
your friend is called a library. You see, math library. Okay.
Yep.
So what your library will contain? Library will contain functions. Functions are nothing but print, and print is a function. Len
Yeah.
is a function, right? Same way, these things and all are pre-coded already inside this math. Okay. See,
Yeah.
it is showing this module provides access to the mathematical functions defined by the C standard. Likewise. So you just ignore the C standard and all that, those things and all we will talk later when we are ending the classes. So this math is nothing but like it's full of mathematic libraries, I can say.
Yeah.
So inside this library, we have lot of mathematical functions. So to know the value of pi, we are using this math.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Okay, so to access this pi is we didn't declare the value of pi. This pi value is already declared inside this math library.
Yeah. Yeah.
So we are calling this pi as a function.
Yeah.
Okay, so this pi we are accessing from math. It's like you are going to get a book from library. So this is your library and this is your book. And this book is having a value.
Yeah.
Okay, so that book's value we are using here. So 3.14 we are using here. To cube it, like last time we did a square using double star, right?
Yeah.
This is a single star is a multiplication operation and double star is a power of operation.
Yeah. What's 3 stars then?
3 star means this is cube to the power of 3, pi to the
Uh,
power of 3.
yeah.
Pi into, actually I didn't add the r radius cube. This is radius, right? So this radius
Yes.
double star 3. 4 by 3 pi r cube.
Mm.
Okay, this is what, like 4 by 3. This is the volume of sphere formula. 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, so this 4 by 3 is here. We are just directly putting 4 by 3. Python can understand what is 4 by 3.
Yeah.
And math.py. This is, as I told, this is library and pi is a book inside this library. It's like we are calling a function from a library.
Yeah.
Okay, and this is the radius. We just converted this radius from kilometer into meters because our problem is to find out the volume of such a shape. Shape is nothing but this sphere. So the
Yeah.
volume of this sphere in meters, cubic meters. Okay. So to find it in cubic meter, I need to find that in, see, into 3. So I'm just putting a cube over here.
Yeah.
Okay. This is r cube. Likewise. So radius cube.
Yeah.
Okay. So radius in meters, that one I am converting it into cube. Oh my God, I am taking a max class here.
Yeah.
Is it like boring, Nikhil? Or what is your favorite subject?
Um, I would say sport.
Sports, good.
Yeah.
Okay. See, this is the final result we are expecting. Like this. I don't even know. This is an exponential number. Okay.
Yeah. That makes sense.
So like price only this will work. You can go through it because I have updated in the our regular stuff only. See, the save is getting failed. Why? Save.
So then,
That's fine.
I think you should save your changes.
Yeah. Fine. Yeah. I just
Yeah.
saved it. Because you are
Yeah,
also editing parallelly, it seems. I just saved it. It might have overwritten your
yeah, it's
notebook.
just come
Okay.
through here.
Okay, fine. Yeah. So this one, with this one, I am closing this notebook. We will be seeing this notebook at after we complete all these classes. Okay.
Oh, yeah,
And if you want to add anything to this notebook, and if you want to add any notes, feel free to add it.
yeah,
And when you are adding, just put a comment saying that like this, Ash Nikhil, like this. Okay. So that it will be easier for you to identify what you changed. Okay.
yeah.
Okay. So this was done. So today we don't have any assignment. Okay.
Yeah.
We should not have any assignment today. So that in the next class we will see. So thanks for taking up this assignment, Nikhil. So that it means like you are getting interested in the classes.
Mm.
Okay. And in the class two, we saw about, yeah, this one we have started, right? Yeah.
Yes.
So today I will alter this page again and again. Okay, just to make sure that we are in sync with the class syllabus.
Yeah.
Okay, so uh, up to yesterday we have seen about len function, commands function, and we saw about arithmetic operations and variables. What is a variable and all, right?
Yeah.
So from
Yeah.
today onwards, we will see like this is the agenda for today's class. So today's
Mm.
class is not more dumping. I just want you to make you completely understand these things. And from that point, again, from class 4, we will pick up the pace.
Yeah.
Okay. I will keep on changing this syllabus according to how we are doing in the class. And okay, even if I am not able to complete everything, then again I will add the extra classes. Is that fine for you?
Yes.
Okay. So our ultimate aim is to learn this programming.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is for class 3. We are in class 3 today. So in class 3 today, we will be seeing what is a variable, and we will be again recalling what we saw in the yesterday's class about variables. And from there, we will continue. And then we will see about a data type called strings. Okay. I will
Yeah.
explain you everything. Don't get jargonized with these terms.
Yeah.
Okay. I didn't want to give something. Yeah, Nikhil, what is a variable? Yesterday we saw about what is a
A
variable.
variable is like something that varies from time to time and can have different thing, like, what's it called? Different like outputs,
Okay.
depending on the time it was done.
Yes, right. You are correct. Yesterday we were assigning my name and your name in A, B, likewise, right? C A
Yeah.
is equal to 1 and B is equal to 2. We saw an algebra example for variable, right?
Yeah.
So we are assigning A is equal to 3 and B is equal to 4. Okay, I have added one more example in this.
Mm.
Okay. And then in the result, if you see a plus b the whole square, a plus b with the whole square yesterday we saw,
Yeah.
right? So a square, that is a into 2. Suppose if you want to put a cube, how you will do it? Instead of this 2, if you put 3, that is a cube,
Yeah.
right? If
Yeah.
you put 4, that is a to the power of 4.
Yeah. And then
Okay.
a five, and it keeps going.
Okay. Let me add a quote cell and let me explain you again. So if I want to multiply 9 to, okay,
Yeah, which would be 18.
18. So if I want to put a 9 square, that is 81, right? 9 into 9. If I want to put 9 cube, okay, how I will do is, instead of this 2, I will put 3,
Yeah. And
right?
then
9
it'll
to the 9 to the power of 3. Okay,
yes, which is
that is 81 into 9, 729.
yeah.
Okay, likewise I can put
And then 4 and then yeah.
5 to the power. These and all are the powers. If I put a double star here, okay, the next number will become the power of this number.
Yeah.
Okay, this makes sense, right?
Yeah.
You are getting it right. Okay. So the same way we can add, we saw that addition also, right? 1 plus 2 is 3.
Yeah.
And then 1. So the same way for division alone, we have 2 parts actually. Okay, this
Uh,
part we missed on yesterday's class. Okay,
yeah. Which is like
so
slash and
yeah,
the
slash and percentage. Yeah.
yeah.
Suppose in case if I put A is equal to 5 and B is equal to, sorry, I will put a whole number here so that it will be easier for you. B is equal to 2. Okay.
Yeah.
And if I put A, C is equal to A by B, and if I am printing C, what it will be? It will be 5, right? Because it don't have any reminders. Suppose even if I put 11 also, I will get 5 1.
Yeah.
5.5. This is a floating number, that's why. Okay.
Mm.
Suppose if I put percentage symbol here, I will get the modulus.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Modulus of this 11 by 2 is 1
Yeah.
because 1 is the remainder, right?
Yes. Yeah. That makes sense.
It's 0 because
Yeah.
the remainder is 0 because this is fully divisible. 12 by
Yeah.
2 is 6, right? Same way, this percentage symbol is used for getting the modulus, the
Yeah.
remainder. Remainder portion, if you want, you just need to put a percentage. And if you
Mm.
want a complete division, you just need to put a by divided sig.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that makes sense.
How about by 0? Anything divided by 0 is what?
0.
Anything divided by 0 is infinity.
Yeah.
It won't divide, right? See, that's why it
Mm-hmm.
is saying 0 division error.
Oh.
Because this is A is 19 and B is 0. So I cannot divide anything by 0. Python will
Mm.
not allow me. Division by 0. See, this error itself is called as division by 0.
Yeah.
Because anything divided by 0 is an infinity. So it cannot show me that much numbers. Again and again, it cannot show 19, 19, 19, 19, 19, 19 like this, right? That
Yeah.
19 will go infinite times. 19 by 1 is 19.
Yeah.
That's fine. But anything divided by 0 is infinity. So
Mm.
the bottom part, you should not use 0 at all the times in mathematics as well as programming.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that will throw an error called divide by 0 error.
Yes.
You got it right. So
Yeah.
here I am making a note saying that anything divided by 0 will be infinity, and you cannot divide anything by 0, and Python will throw the following error. I'm
Yeah.
just putting 0 here and let's see what is the error it is throwing. I just copy paste it.
Mm-hmm.
This is the error.
Oh. That makes sense.
Okay, just for your notes purpose, I am just adding this. Let it be. Let it be that, like, even if you want to see the explanation of this error, you just need to click on this, explain this error.
Yeah.
But you didn't have the Gemini, that AI stuff
I think it.
enabled.
I think it's enabled now.
Okay, try now.
Okay, so I'll press the Gemini button,
Yeah,
and
just
then
share your
look.
screen. Let's see. Yeah.
Yeah.
You share.
Yeah. Can you see?
Yeah, right.
So now I've got this open. What should I do?
Yeah, just type in like what is anything divided by zero? Just ask.
Zero.
Zero. Yeah. See, it's not enabled because we need to set some API keys and all. I don't want to put that much confusion here. Instead, you can use ChatGPT also inside. You know
Uh,
ChatGPT, right?
yeah.
Okay, you can use ChatGPT also inside. In the side by side, you can have another window and you can use ChatGPT.
Yeah. I
Okay,
think it. Yeah. Can you see this?
no, I think you presented only the notebook. You didn't share
Oh,
your entire screen.
yeah. I'll share my screen.
Okay.
Can you see?
Yeah, right. Yeah, I'm
Yeah.
able to
Yeah.
see
I've
it.
got ChatGPT here on the side, and then
Hmm.
also so like here's this, and then ChatGPT.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. I've got it working.
Okay, now you got it chat, right? Okay,
Yeah.
let me share my screen again. Let's continue the class. Okay, so anything divided by zero is infinity, as we
Yeah.
see, right?
Yeah.
And yeah, so in today's class, we will see about the continuation of variables and we will see about strings.
Yeah.
Okay, so up to this point, do you have any doubts, Nikhil?
Let's see. Not really.
Okay, if you get any doubts in between, okay, can call my number from, yeah, you can see it in the class one notebook also.
Yeah. The notebook.
Do you have my notebook open? Class one notebook open?
I have the class one notebook open.
Yeah, please share it. Let me show you. So it's closed it.
Do you want me to share my screen?
Yeah, please.
Here. I've got
Yep.
class one notebook open.
Yeah. So go to the top.
Right here. Yeah.
Yes. Here I am putting my mobile number. Okay. You can
Oh,
see my mobile number over there.
yeah.
You can WhatsApp me at any time.
Okay.
Okay. And I
Yeah.
will respond back to you within 2 or 3 hours max. Because if I am in work, I cannot do it in
Yeah.
in Monday to Friday. Whenever you are having any doubts, please feel free to send a WhatsApp message to my mobile number.
Yes. I
Okay.
will do.
Okay. That's my LinkedIn profile. If you have LinkedIn, feel free to connect it over there.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Let me share it.
Yep. I'll disconnect.
Okay. So this is class 3 today. So the variables we will continue from here. Okay.
Yeah.
So variables we saw on this algebra itself. So we are assigning something like this to a character or something like this. Okay. A is equal to 19 means same way we can tell Arul is equal to 19 also. This can be any name. Any name or name plus number or underscore also. Okay.
Yes.
Let me put it
Okay.
like this. Arul by B. If I put like this, then anyway A is not defined, right?
Yeah.
Where it is taking A. Okay. Yes. I can put like this, Arul. Because I defined Arul here, right? Instead of A,
Yeah.
I made it as Arul. And if I change this with like I can put an underscore also. But after underscore, I need to put one character or something like this. 3 or something like this. Or any
Mm.
name. V or something like this. Anything. Be it a character. Character means nothing but A to Z. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Numbers are 0 to 9. Okay.
Yeah.
When I say character, it indicates either it is an A to Z, and when I say number, it is a
One,
0 to
two.
9. Yeah,
Yeah.
I need to give like this. That will be a variable. Okay, same way you can put a number also here.
Oh, and then it will be the same thing. Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh, yeah.
right. So the variable
Mhm.
can be anything using a character or an underscore or number like this.
Yeah.
Okay, and in variable you can do a math operation on top of an variable. Okay,
Yeah.
that's what we saw in the last class, right? You can put one. This is getting assigned to one first, and then we are incrementing the value v is equal to v plus 1. Okay, 1 plus 1 is 2. So here this value is 2.
Two. Yeah.
And again we are changing that to 51. So here this value will be 51.
Yes.
And in print also we can change this variable. So 51 into 5, that will
Yeah.
be the value here.
Oh, yeah. That makes
Okay.
sense.
And if I give, you see, suppose if I am not giving anything with an assignment, means that equal to operator, okay, that won't impact this value.
Yeah.
Okay, so here again, when we are printing this one, it will be 51 only again. This one will be 51 into 5 times, but this one will be 51 again. And this one we are assigning v is equal to v into 5. Okay,
Mm. Yeah.
so v is 1. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
v is equal to v plus 1 is 2, right? V now equals itself is v is equal to v plus 1, that is 2.
Yeah.
It can be used anywhere. Okay, we used it, right? We can use it within that particular cell.
Mm.
Okay, this is a code cell. We saw, right? This is code and this is text. This is text. This one is text and this one is code. So wherever you are seeing a play button, that is run cell, this is called as code cell. Okay, this is called as text cell likewise. So within this particular scope, we can run this variable. Okay, or you're not able to understand what it is.
Oh, I think I understand it.
Okay, fine. Yeah. So here you are assigning v is equal to 51.
Yeah.
That 51 into 5 times is 255. But
Yeah.
if you again see the value of v, that will be 51 only because we are not putting an equal to operation here.
Oh, yes.
Okay, it is just printing it. It is just displaying it, but it won't change the v value. When you want to change the v value, you need to
Oh,
explicitly say like v is equal to v into 5. Likewise.
oh yeah. Then it will change it.
Okay. So now you got this one, right?
Yeah.
So this is how variables work. Also, you can write like this. Yeah, put some here. See, v is equal to 20 and v is equal to v plus 1. This is
Oh,
called incrementing. Okay. So
yeah.
I'm just trying to print v, and if I put like v plus is equal to 1, okay, this also will be same.
Oh, yeah. So then it'll be
See,
21 and
this
23.
20 will become 21.
And then,
This and this v plus equal to 1. These both are same only.
oh, yeah. But it's already adding to that, which is
Yes,
already
right.
adding to
Yeah, right.
that's why
If you
it's
put
extra.
2 here, it will add 2
It'll be
like this.
23.
23. Yes, right. You got it. Right? So the
Yeah.
same way, this is what we call as incrementing. Okay, we are incrementing 1. So this plus equal to is called increment operator operation.
Oh, yes. Yeah.
Okay. The same way, if you put minus equal to 2, what is that? That is a decrement operation.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Means that v is equal to v minus 2.
Yeah.
This is means that v is equal to v minus 2.
Yeah.
Meaning is v is equal to v minus 2. That is v minus equal to 2. So this is decrementing. Okay. So
Mm,
let me add a comment here itself. V is equal to v plus 2. 2. That is increment operation. Increment. So this is called decrement operation. Okay.
yeah.
So you are incrementing as well as you are decrementing.
Mm,
Okay.
yeah.
Sometimes it takes time to run these cells. Okay. See, that's because this runtime got disconnected.
Yeah.
Because we are using someone else's computer. So that someone else is not giving us proper system.
Uh,
Okay.
yeah.
It's like you are taking out someone else's computer and executing.
Yeah.
Okay. So next thing. So these are the things about variables. Okay. Going further in all our classes, like we will be seeing a lot about variables. When we go
Mm,
to data types continued, when we go to these operations, okay, the logical operations and comparisons and
uh,
loops, dictionaries, wherever we go, like we will see about this one. So here I will be adding, today we saw about maths, math library also, right? The pi function, right? Today we saw about pi function also, right? I am just
yeah.
adding it just for our reference purpose only. Okay. So this is all about variables. You are able to understand this, right, Nikhil? Or I am going
Yeah.
fast.
I can understand it.
Okay, that's good. And strings. Today we will see about strings also. So string is nothing but a collection of characters, I can say. Because I said character is A to Z, right? So if I type my name, see, take for example,
Mm,
let me put another quote. So, okay, I don't want to disturb the existing steps. So if I type my name, okay, A. So this A is nothing but it's a character.
Yeah.
Okay, this is just only one one alphabet of my name. Okay, it will simply print only A. So this is
Uh,
called as character. And
yeah.
if I say collection of character, if I type Arul, okay, A is
Yeah.
a character, R is a character, U is a character,
Oh,
L is a
so
character.
all
So
of them
string is
combined.
a collection of characters.
Yeah.
Okay, we can play with words, we can play with sentences, we can play with words, right? So how we can define is from the programmer's perspective, character is nothing but A to Z or A to Z.
Mm. Yeah.
Okay, and string is nothing but collection of characters,
Yeah.
right? So correction of characters as well as this means that it might be words or sentences or names, whatever it might be. If it is in any of this within A to Z or capital A to Z, and if it is a collection, so these and all are strings only. See, even these symbols also will be string only. So whatever you are giving within double quotes bracket, whatever whatever you are enclosing within this brackets, okay, this is called as strings. You are getting it right, Nikhil?
Yeah.
So here we have a double quote start and double quotes end, right? So
Mm.
within this double quotes, we are having this good and morning and to you too, right? So this is a collection of words,
Yeah.
right? So this is also called a string. This is also called a string, and this is also called a string.
Yeah.
Even if I consolidate everything, if I combine everything, that will be a sentence. Then that sentence is also called a
It's
string.
green. Yeah.
Okay. So if it is a single character, single one, that is called as character. Single letter is called as character. If it is a letter, you can call it as a character.
Uh-huh.
Okay. If it is a symbol within quotes, then that is also called as character.
Uh-huh.
Even if you put a number within quotes, that is also called as a character.
Yeah.
Okay. So a collection of characters is called a string.
String and a collection and
Okay.
anything is a string.
Yes, correct. Within this bracket, anything is there, that is called a string.
Yeah.
See, it is just first it is printing word one and word two.
Which is
That
good
is
more.
good and morning. This is word one is good, and word two is morning.
Yeah, so then it prints
Right?
good morning.
And we are consolidating it into a sentence using a string concatenation. Okay.
Yeah, which makes it
String
when
concatenation is nothing but this plus.
yeah.
Okay. Plus this plus operator is there, right? It is used
Yeah.
to combine these strings, combine these values. Good morning to you too. So that
Yeah.
one we are combining here. Word one plus a space. This is the
Yeah.
space, right? So this space, and again word two. This is morning here, and then again a space, and then again word three. Word three is to you too.
Uh-huh. Yeah, that makes
Okay.
sense.
So this is how we are printing a string here. Okay. This is what is called about what we are calling it about string. Okay. So this is all about string, and on top of a string, we can do lot of operations. We can play with
Yeah.
strings, right? So give me the second character of this, give me the third character of this. from the fourth character to 10th character, give me this, right? So
Mm.
these things and all are called as string operations.
Yes, that makes sense.
Okay, the very first operation we are going to do is len. This one you have already familiar with, right? Len.
Yeah,
Len function, we saw it on the yesterday's class.
yeah.
What it will do? It will count the number of characters,
Characters that are
individual letters. Yeah, individual
and
letters
space,
inside. Yeah, and spaces also. Correct, correct. You are good. So it is just trying to count whatever is present over here.
yeah.
Okay, so this length is 10, means that it is having 10 characters inside this.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so this len function is to calculate the number of characters present in a string.
Which is 10.
Okay, also we can see what is at the position 4 like this. Okay, so here we have the text. I need to see what is at the position 4.
Which is D.
No, here it is like 0, 1, 2, 3,
Oh,
4,
which is
likewise
E.
E actually. Okay,
Yeah.
see it is printing E,
Oh, yeah. That makes
right?
sense. Yeah.
So from 0 only we will start. The positions will start from 0 and then 1. 1 is this B and 2 is C, 3 is D, 4 is C, likewise.
Yeah.
Okay, we are not
Yeah.
counting from 1 and we count from 0. We start count
Yeah.
from 0. Okay, so this is how this works. So to access a particular element of this particular string, this is string, this is the string, text
Yeah.
is there, right? So this text is the string. Inside text, I need to take this, see it is showing. This is the value A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. This
Yeah.
is what we declared on cell number 27. This is cell number 27. How I
Yep.
say 27? Because within brackets, it is showing me 27,
27. Yeah.
right? So in the cell number 27, we have this string, and in that string, I need the fourth character,
Yep. Which is E, because you
E.
start at 0.
So to access this, we need to put a square bracket here,
Yeah.
like this.
Uh-huh.
Okay, so this square bracket indicates, okay, you give me this, okay, like this.
Hmm.
And if I want to get the first before whatever whatever is present before this fourth position, I need to get the complete one. This A, B, C, D I need.
Yep.
Okay, so for that, what you will do is this is called as range operator.
Yeah.
Okay, this is a colon. This is not a semicolon, this is colon. Okay, if you put like this, it will give me this ABCD. Means
Yep.
that before E, before this position E, this character E, I need to get all the strings, all the characters.
Oh, yeah.
Okay,
And then,
and then after E, I need to
oh,
get all the characters. Means
after
that this starts from fourth position,
or
and
and
up it will
onward.
go up to end.
Yep.
This is before 4. So it will not include the fourth position. It will not include E. But
Yes.
this will include E. See?
Oh, because it's 4 and up, but this
Because
is
it is
below
it is on
4.
the left side.
Yeah.
Okay, 4 is on the left side. So likewise, we can play with strings. Okay. So this one we are calling it as string slicing.
Oh, yeah. That makes
We are
sense.
just slicing the
Because
string.
slicing it and picking which part
Yes.
you want.
Yes, right. So based on that, we can play with the strings using this. Like we can get the before characters,
And the
we can
after.
get the after characters, right? So
Yeah.
this colon indicates the range.
Yes, that makes sense.
Okay, so this is how this one works. And if I want to get only a specific range, means that I need to get only the next two characters or next Next, that means that from this position to this position, likewise, start range and end range, I can say. So the
Yeah.
start range is E and end range should be 8, likewise.
Mm.
So this is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I need to get up to I or J. Okay. See, it is giving me 4
Oh,
to 8.
because you're just cutting it and you're
Yes,
splitting the only
correct.
part that you want.
Yes. So it is taking only the fourth position is E. Let
E
me
all the
zoom
way
it.
to
Yeah.
H.
E, F, G, H. This is 4, 5, 6, 7. This is 8,
8, but it cuts it
but
out.
it cuts it out at H itself. Why? Because
Because it's
we
on the
put
right
it at
hand
the
side.
right side. Yeah, that 8 is at the right side. See,
Yeah.
after this column, we have it at the right side,
Yeah.
right? So it will cut it before that letter itself.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Okay, fine. So also, if you want to reverse, like reverse count it, okay?
Yeah.
So this is, see, this is 0. We accessed it at the fourth position, right? So
Yeah.
0, 1,
1, 2.
2, 3, 4. 4 is this one, E.
Yeah.
The same way, this is -1. J is
Yeah.
there, right? From the reverse one. Okay. If you want to count it from the reverse. So this J is -1 and I is -2. Okay.
Yeah.
The same way you can access it with -2.
Mm. And then you go, yeah. But you can also put I as 8.
Yes, correct. This
Also, it
is
has,
a, yeah, -2. Also
so it can have
print
multiple numbers.
text of A.
And then it'll
Yeah.
make each I twice. Yeah, that makes sense.
Hey, you are good at math, man. I didn't even count it. Yeah. 8 is also same thing and -2. That is -1, -2 likewise. Okay. The same way, like -4 and colon means it will take out that range like this.
Yeah, and then it'll have like G
J,
going
H, I, J. Yeah.
G to J.
Yes, right. So -4 is -1, -2, -3, -4.
Yeah, which is G.
G, H, I, J. So that one it is printed here. -4. After that, colon means it will start the range from here and it ends at the count, ends at the last one. So
Yeah,
whatever, if you put, all these things will be there. And also, if you are putting the starting with double colon, it will just return everything from the second position like this.
yeah. Yeah.
Now it is taking this
Oh, it's,
second characters of everything. A,
oh, it's,
after that it is missing B and then say C. After that it is missing D and it is
oh,
taking E.
so it's taking out every second one.
Every second one it is taking. Okay, it's like kind of
Oh,
looping.
that makes sense.
Okay, so here it is taking a sentence. See, good morning. We saw that. Okay, let me print this sentence first. So that see, in top we have put up a sentence, right? Good morning to you too
Yeah,
in variables, right?
yeah.
So on that sentence, first we are getting the number of characters. So the number of characters is 24
Mm.
in this length of this. Okay, and we need to get the last word of the sentence by using this is -1
Yeah.
And this is -2, -3, and -4. So we are giving like -4 is -1. So it is
Uh,
taking only this one.
yeah.
So in the print statement itself, if I want to print these values like this sentence and the number of characters, okay, in a particular sentence, in a particular stuff. So here what we will do is we will simply use these operators first.
Yeah.
After that, we will use a command called dot format. And in
Mm.
this, we will give this in the sequence of what needs to be here and what needs to be here, like this. So here I need the number of characters, the one which I take it the complete take it for complete length, that is 24. And here I
Mm.
need to take the last word, likewise this one. This one I need to print the last word. So for that, I am using a format command here. Okay. So if I put like this, then I will have this complete sentence like this.
Yeah.
Okay. You are
Yeah.
playing on something. Okay. Okay. This print again, we will see it in the next class. And here we can do a count also.
Mm.
Okay. We can see the number of occurrences of a particular character.
Oh,
So
yeah.
this O is how many O's are there in that good morning to you too. See,
Two,
one, two,
four,
three, 4, 5,
six,
6 O's,
six.
right?
And then there was
7 O's.
seven.
Mm.
Huh.
Three different sentences.
I don't see how it's getting seven.
See, 1, 2, 3, 4,
Oh, I see it.
5,
Yeah.
6, 7, right?
Yep.
7 O's are there in this good morning to you too,
Yeah.
right? Same way I can count yum
Which will be just one.
1, right? What is the reoccurring? Only O only. O is the most occurring stuff.
Yeah.
N is occurring 2 times, right? Morning.
Yeah.
See, 2.
Yeah. And then that makes sense.
Also, if I want to count the spaces, I just need to simply give like this.
Oh, and then it tells you.
No, it will count the complete sentence. So if I give
Oh,
space,
if you do another one, then it will tell
see
you.
1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 spaces are
Oh,
there.
you have to have two spaces for it to tell you how many spaces there are.
Yeah. If you just put a space here, it will just count that space also.
Oh, the complete sentence. Or
Yeah.
the break, the
This is
string.
one likewise.
It'll tell you how long the string is.
Yeah, correct. Len is to see the complete uh, length of the string. Also, if you count, then it will count the entire number of characters. If you
Oh,
don't put a space or anything like this, what it will do is, see, this is the length of the sentence.
oh, yeah,
Of the sentence. Also, I am just counting it.
yeah, which will be 25 and 24.
25. Why it is 24 and 25? Because,
Because it's counting the exclamation mark.
yes, correct. So the same way, likewise.
Because lens doesn't count punctuation, does it?
Actually, it counts the punctuation, but sometimes this is returning some dumb answers. I will explain you in the next class. Okay.
Okay.
So the same way, like you need to find the position of where this E is present.
Yeah, which
Okay.
it
It
is the
will be
first
4.
four times. Yeah, four.
Okay. A, B, C, D, E only, right?
Yeah,
So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4.
yeah,
So the fourth position is C, right? So I
yep,
want to find the position of E So for that, we will be using this text.find.
Yep.
Okay. Also, if I want to find a complete sentence, this is to find a character. Character
Yeah.
means what? That's a single element. That is A, B, C, D, E. Likewise, A or B or C or D. That's a single alphabet. Is a character,
Yeah.
right? The
Single letter.
same way, you can, if you want to find a sentence, sorry, if you want to find a word, you can use this or find.
Yeah.
Okay, so the some text is, hey, you, how are you doing? I need to find the position of this particular sentence. Sorry,
Yeah.
word. Okay, so that is saying that it's on 17.
Yeah. Yeah.
This is the last find position. Okay,
Oh.
if you give or find, it will be taking the last find position only. This
Uh.
is the first find position, and this is on the last find position.
Yeah.
Because it first finds u and it will not return this first initially. Again, it will search for this u.
Mm.
And what is the last find position? That is on the 17th position. This is on the 17th position. Okay.
Mm-hmm. That
This
makes
is
sense.
0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So this is on the 17th position, right?
Mm-hmm.
So that 17th position, it is returning as 70. Okay. Also, you can convert it into uppercase and you can split the string. You can replace the string, right? I
Yeah.
don't want to dump everything in this class itself. So we are running almost late for you. So tomorrow in the next class, we will revise from here and we will continue on the next one.
Yeah.
Strings revision, we will do, wait, that is your class 4. Yeah. Here we will have strings revision and then we will continue the remaining steps.
Yeah. That makes
Okay.
sense.
Okay. That's all for today's class, Nikhil. Do you have any doubts so far?
No, I don't have any doubts so far.
Okay.
Arul,
Yes, sir.
can you also email me? I will send you my email or email Nikhil
Okay.
the course content.
Yes, sir.
And
This is there. Yeah, this one I
yes,
have already
it's already
emailed.
there.
Yeah,
Fantastic.
Yeah.
he said.
That's one. And second is, I don't see Nikhil making any notes or anything. Is he meant to take some notes?
No, sir. No, sir. Not required.
He's
Like
just
I,
sitting there.
I already put everything. I already write everything in this notebook itself so that he can understand.
Okay, because you know what happens that he sits there, and after if he is not doing something with his hand, then he
Yeah.
zones out and he is playing with his chain or he is doing something else, moving. Anytime you see him touching his chain or doing something, ask him to touch his keyboard and do something because then I know he's not paying attention.
Yeah. Yeah. Right, sir. Yeah.
And
Yeah. That's why I was asking a lot of questions in between. Like, yeah,
yes,
to turn his attention on me.
see,
Yeah.
although you see now, he plays with his chain like that, and then he'll be looking here, there, and then you know he is. Then the simplest thing is to give him a question and ask him to write a code. That's all.
Yeah. Yeah. Sure, sir. Sure, sir.
Thank you, Arul. Thanks a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. In the next class, we will ask you. We will ask him to
Yes,
write a code.
yes,
Yeah,
yes, yes.
Nikhil, you need to share your
Okay.
screen and you need to write about these strings and all. Okay.
Okay. Bye.
Just go through this and
Yeah.
we didn't have an assignment for this week. Okay.
Yeah.
So you
And
just go through this notebook. I will share it with you. And from this next class, I will ask you to do something randomly.
Okay.
Does
the
that
thing,
make
Arul,
sense?
is
Yep.
yes, yes. The thing, Arul, it is like for him, you know, he thinks it's like a history class. So this is not a history class. You have to practice. If you don't practice, it's like a language class, not a history class. A language class, you have to speak like how Arul was saying, like German. You have to
Yeah.
speak. You have to practice. If you don't practice, it will go away.
Mm-hmm.
History class is something you remember, but
Yeah.
this is You need to touch your keyboard. You need to write code. So what I'm going to ask Arulana is to give you some activity to do in the class. Because otherwise you're just you're sitting like a history class.
Yeah, sir. Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you, Arul.
Bye.
Yeah. Thank you, sir. Bye bye. Bye, Nikhil.